Good morning. I am in my room at Lalande, and a lot of you guys asked for one day in the life of a workaway or a volunteer at Lalande. So today I'm going to record and show you everything. I am still sleepy, but let's go. Usually I am responsible of the breakfast for the guests, so I have to wake up early to make everything delicious. After the breakfast we do the dishes. After the breakfast we come to the rooms and we do the beds, and take everything that was used or it's dirt, and vacuum cleaner the floors, and do everything for the next guest. Okay, this is Chambre de la Tour. I already started to do the bed. I have to put the duvet cover, and this is it. Look, the fountain. And other thing that we do a lot is laundry. The machine is working and the other machine is working. You see, one machine drying, one machine washing, and a lot of rooms for wash and towels. Always towels. We have a lot of towels for all the guests. So what happens is we have a lot of guests, so one guest goes, another coming, and we have to wash everything to redone. We have spares, but it's always have a lot of dirty, not dirty, but used sheets and everything, and towels. And the other thing we do is clean, take off the dust, and these days we have to clean all the superfices of the chateau. And the number one thing, I think the most important thing that we do here, at least me, is carry things from places. We have this extra bed here in the Marquis apartment, and now we have to move the mattress for the attic in the last floor of the chateau. And this is it. Carry things. And when I say heavy things, big things, carried for the chateau, it's heavy, really heavy. And we cleaned all the superfices, all the dust, and all the windows, all the floor of the winter salon today, and at the grand salon. Yes, in the same day. So at lunchtime we have lunch. So I finished lunch, and a fun fact, sometimes we have to come to do little things like the opening bottle. I have to bring for the tap room, and we are doing other things, and we have to have a break to do these things and come back. And now let's go. We cleaned all the fountain. Me, Emily, and Antoine. Was 2 days job working with this, and today I learned how to turn on and turn out the fountain, which is beautiful. Can you see? The water was completely yellow, full of plants, water plants, and now you can see the bottom. It's amazing. Oh, the sun come out. Now we are back at the Marquis apartment to put some coffee and some things. We have a guest here today, and let's go. So we have lists, to-do lists, and here I have to put this walkie-talkie here to recharge. And now I'm going to do Roger bed. It's all clean. Let's do. And now the room is ready for the guests. And let's see what we have to do next. Okay, I'm really sweat because I just brought the mattress on the stairs for the 3rd floor alone. This one and the other one. I said carry things, a lot of things. Let's go. The 4th mattress upstairs. 4. You see? I'm all sweaty. Done. A lot of mattress. Heavy ones. So we iron the big pillows because they are the first thing you'll see when you see the bed in the rooms. And we iron the square pillows to be all perfect for the guests. And now we have one more room ready. I just did the bed on the marquee and Diesel is here making company. Let's go because the guest is coming. Okay, it's a lot of work, but at least we have a fun part to relax after. And after working, we have cinema. Perfect. Ta-da! So, every day somebody do something for the dinner. Today I'm going to do some spaghetti with white dressing. Let's see. After our dinner, the guests asked for food and we all helped to prepare. And after dinner, every day somebody is responsible
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Every day somebody is responsible of cleaning the dinner dishes and let the kitchen in proper way for the next day. After all the day of work and everything that you saw, I'm here creating videos for you guys, and it's an extra time of working. And this is it. This was one day in the life of a workawayer or a volunteer at Lalande. Good night. See you soon.
Not that right, was it?
And sometimes, not always, all the volunteers run out in a convertible and go to Egoran, a city close to Lalande, to buy bread in the boulangerie.